Hi guys, it's Miss Spastic here, and today I'm going to teach you how to do dictation on the computer. Now, dictation is when we spell words with the new phoneme or the new sound for the week. Remember on our sheet where Miss B will call out a word and you will spell it and then you will rewrite it. But now you are typing it and then you are retyping to check. So I'll show you how to do this. I'm going to say a word. I want you to sound out the word. Then Miss B will write the word in and I want you to check it. If it's the same as mine, then I want you to retype it. If not, I want you to correct it. So this week we are working with long O. And another way to spell the long O sound is O-A. So O-A. I'm going to make it bigger for you just so you can kind of remember that I want it there. And of course it'll be lowercase because OA comes in the middle of a word and sometimes at the beginning of the word. So in the middle of the word, we have the word coat. K-oat, coat. In the beginning of the word, we would have like oats, like an oatmeal. Oat. And the way we spell O is O-A. So O-A says O. You know, if I were you, I would say it 3 times. O-A says O. O-A says O. O-A says O. Now let's spell some words with O-A. So I'm going to say the word, and then I want you to repeat the word. Then I want you to sound it out, and then type it. So the first word that I want you to spell is the word goat. What word? I hope you said goat. And then let's sound it out. G-O-T. Goat. Now let's spell it. G-O-T. Goat. Hopefully yours look like mine. If it does, then we're going to go and retype it. G-O-T. Goat. All right, the second word is float. What word? Right, float. Sound it out. Okay, now spell it. I hope when you sound it out, you did this. Float. Float. If yours look like mine, I want you to retype it. Perfect. All right. The next word, number 3. Croak. Croak. What word? I hope you said croak. Now sound it out for me. All right. I hope yours look like mine. The word is croak. Cr, o, k, croak. And remember, we only use CK at the end of a word when it's a short vowel, but OA says O, so that's a long vowel, so we have to use K. All right, if yours look like mine, you are retyping it. And remember, we want to keep it lowercase letters because we only use capital letters at the beginning of a sentence or if it's a proper noun. And that means a person's name, a place name, or a thing's name. All right, the next word is foam. Say it with me. Foam. Sound it out. And if yours look like mine, retype it. All right. Last word. Groan. Groan. Repeat. Yep, I hope you said groan and sound it out. Now type it. So you should have sounded out like this. Groan. Groan. Yours look like mine. Retype it. All right, our sentence. If you can, make it a capital letter. You can just hit the button that says caps lock. Type a letter, then click it again. But if not, don't worry about it. So I want you to repeat the sentence after me. Do not roam in the road. Pound it out. Do not roam in the road. One more time. Do not roam in the road. Let's spell it. Do. It's a red word. We don't sound that out. Not. At. Roam. Remember, long O. In, red word. The, red word. Road, sound it out with the new O sound. O, D. Road. If yours look like mine, I want you to retype. All right. So we did long O as in oat for our sound or phoneme this week. We also call two vowels together that makes one sound a digraph. So this digraph says the long O sound. So if you want to repeat with me, OA says O, OA says O, OA says O. I want you to find OA words when you're reading this week. All right? I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.